This is how you smuggle a smartphone into an Amish community. As you can see, I am underneath a bridge. I was given this specific location in the Amish community, and I'm not going to give away the location. And the non-Amish friend had a phone, and these youngsters were watching me on TikTok, and they wanted a phone. So they told him to go let me know. So I had an extra smartphone, and we're going to put it right up in here. And I told him I want $100 for it. Now, in a couple days, I'm coming back out here, and I'm going to check in the Amish community here underneath this bridge to see if they got $100 in there. And then if I can